Hi everybody, Jennifer from Tarle Speech with your 2 for Tuesday homophone lesson. Let's learn 2 words that are pronounced exactly the same way. They just have different spelling and different meanings. We have thyme, which is an herb, and time, which are seconds, minutes, and hours. We have 3 little sounds today. Let's start with the T. Touch the tip of the tongue to the back of the top front teeth. Let the air puff out. Move to the long I by opening your mouth and then moving to more of a smile. The tip of your tongue is going to start low and then move to flatter in your mouth. Then end with an M. Lips are closed. Air moves out of the nose. Time, time, time. Time, 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 time. And now for a sentence. She added thyme to her stew just in time for dinner. Give it a try. I know people are going to notice the difference. Please join me tomorrow for a new lesson. And if you need more help, you can check out all of our products and classes at Tarle Speech. Thanks so much, everyone. Have a great day.